So first we're gonna cross out the first and the last one. And then we'll cross out this one and this one. Then we'll cross out this one and this one. And this one and this one. Oh no! We have two numbers that are in the middle at the same time. When this happens, we have to do something special to find these. We have to take the number that we think would be in between these. This would be 5.5, because that means it's 5.5, because that's halfway to 6. Let's see if we can find a little bit easier one to do, since that one was a little tricky. We'll start right here. We have the numbers 1 to 11. Cross here and here, here and here, here and here, here and here, here and here. And look, we have one number in the middle. That's the way it's supposed to happen. So that means that our number 6 is the median. Great job, guys. You're learning so good today. Well, I think that all of these letters that we have learned, they all start with M's. And M's that'll be confusing if we're trying to figure out which one is which. And I remember that we've talked a little bit about mean before, and how that's the one, that's the average that we talked about, and then we talked about range. So we've talked about all these different ones. So I'm going to teach you guys a song that's a little rap that'll help us remember all of the different words. So are you guys ready? Let me pass out I'm going to pass out everyone in the class one so that they can hold it, so they can sing it with us. Okay? This is called the MMR rap. Okay? So, Miss Holly's not the best singer or the best rapper, but I bet with you guys' help, we'll make it sound really good. Okay? It's the M, the MMR rap. The M, the MMR rap. Now mode, I've been told, is the number that you see the most. Median is the man in the middle. The man in the middle. Just line up the numbers the best that you can, from smallest to largest, from smallest to larger. Now mean, he's the best. Of course he's better than all the rest. Just add all your numbers, and when you divide, you won't believe your eyes. You'll only have one number to your surprise. Last but not least is our friend the range. He isn't the best, but he sure isn't strange. You start with the high and subtract the low. You've got the range and there's no mo. The MMR rap. The MMR rap. When you sing it out loud, it's all just a snap. Everybody got it? Well, we can all sing together when we live through it. Something that, once we sing it a couple times, it'd be really fun when sitting in your table groups, if we get together and we can try and think of some actions that will help us remember. So everybody got it? Let's get to work.